Okay, so this is Lorianne, who's just done the first day on the permanent makeup startup course with Katy. So Lorianne, what do you do at the moment, or in the past?
In the past, I worked in a bistro, my parents' bistro.
Okay, so your parents own a bistro, you were working, helping them out, no doubt.
Yeah.
And then obviously been there a little while. And what made you decide to think about permanent makeup as a new career?
I just feel like I needed something to do that's going to make me happy, earn more money as well. Obviously, that's just the cherry on top.
Yeah.
I don't know, I love colours and working with things like that, and I've always had like a bit of an artistic side.
So quite creative, yeah.
Yeah, I just fancied it.
Excellent.
Took the leap.
Indeed, and then obviously we managed to get you in, and you came. You booked in about 8 months down the line. We managed to get you in a little bit earlier, and then obviously you've come in today. You've just been working with Katy, doing lots of brow work on the skins and getting to use your machine or the microblades and what have you. So, how have you actually found it?
Brilliant. I've loved it. I've loved today. I've loved Katy. Like, you've both been really helpful to me. It's not as scary as I thought it was going to be, because I've literally gone from one career and then diving into another, like the beauty side of things. I've never done that before, so I was a bit dubious of how I would cope with it.
How you could pick it up.
Yeah, how quick I'd pick it up, but it was so good.
Really?
Like, I feel really confident. I feel good.
Excellent. You've been doing some great brows, and I think sometimes the penny just drops, isn't it? Like this, almost like this is where you're meant to be and what you're meant to be doing, doesn't it?
Yeah, the way Katy explained it is just, I don't know, it was just great.
Excellent.
I got it.
So a long hot day, but
very
very productive.
Yeah.
And we'll look forward to catching up with you tomorrow and seeing how you get on then.
Lovely.
Excellent. Cheers, Lorianne.